Welcome to the SmartCPQ and Aras Innovator integrated solution demo. Today, we'll show you how this powerful partnership transforms complex configurable products into a fast, accurate, and profitable sales process. SmartCPQ eliminates the fragmentation between engineering and sales, delivering an intuitive e-commerce-style interface while maintaining the rigor of Aras Innovator's product data. We'll walk through the complete journey, from navigation and product selection through configuration and offer creation to final approval. SmartCPQ offers an independent web access, allowing dealers and sales representatives to register and log in without the need for a VPN, while adhering to corporate security policies. The homepage features a clean, intuitive interface. The application supports multiple languages and currencies, enabling seamless use across global markets. Product categories are logically organized with visual cards that guide users through selection. Each product displays essential information and available configuration options. A quick search function allows users to find products by item number, name, or description. One product can have multiple models, managed by VM contexts. The configurator provides an intuitive, streamlined interface for product customization. On the left, configurable sections are organized by category, aligned with the VM variability structure. Each section displays a progress percentage for selected options, clearly indicating configuration status. The central panel features an interactive, zoomable option selector, allowing users to easily explore and choose from all available options for each variability section. On the right, a dynamic column presents the bill of materials and a configuration summary, updating in real time as selections are made. As users select desired options, the left section updates the completion percentages for each category, using color-coded indicators to highlight the overall configuration status. This allows users to quickly identify sections where the product is not fully defined, enabling flexible configuration without enforcing a sequential selection process. As options are chosen, the bill of materials resolves in real time, progressively displaying the configured product. For sections not yet fully defined, all available bills of materials are shown, allowing users to compare their prices. In this example, we can see that only the software configuration remains incomplete, so we proceed to achieve 100% configuration. At this point, several actions are triggered. Commands to save the quote or assembly in Aras are enabled, and the price summary is populated, as all options are fully defined, allowing the final calculation to proceed. Once the configuration is complete, users can extend it by freely adding a cart of accessories from a pre-selected parts list. Using plus and minus selectors, users can adjust the quantity of each accessory to add to the cart, instantly viewing the updated total alongside the configured product. If there is a need to include something not explicitly configurable through the options, users can add textual notes to the quote. These notes will later be converted into a code and/or priced by the technical and commercial team handling the quote. The configuration is now fully prepared to be saved and submitted as a request for quotation. This quotation can be submitted, deleted, or modified if the user changes their mind or needs to complete it later. When modifying a saved quotation, options to save or discard changes appear, with the saved configuration marked by a green S, always visible alongside the currently selected options, allowing users to review and compare selections. When a quotation is saved, based on the logged-in user and their associated customer, it inherits default information, such as the pre-configured discount for that customer, along with customer details and commercial terms like lead time, Incoterms, payment terms, and banking information. Once the request for quotation is ready to be sent, pressing the Submit button transfers it to Aras for management, where it will be finalized if necessary and converted into a definitive offer. Submitted offers appear in the in-basket of CPQ dealer managers as an approval workflow task, prompting them to review the customer-provided information and proceed with any necessary modifications and approval. In Aras, the offer is presented similarly to its view in SmartCPQ, in a submitted state, displaying details related to the requesting user, their associated customer, pricing information, discounts, and all previously mentioned commercial terms. Among the relationships, the bill of materials includes elements of type configurator derived from resolving variability management items and elements of type accessories from the accessories cart. The notes relationship contains the textual requests previously added, which must be priced or converted into a code within the bill of materials. Modifying the prices of the offers relationships automatically recalculates the totals accordingly. If additional items need to be included in the final price without being subject to discounts, elements of type extras can be added to the bill of materials. These items are tracked separately in the total roll-up and displayed in the offer header after the discounted total. Once all necessary modifications to complete the offer are finalized, the assigned user closes the in-basket task, choosing to either reject, approve, or return the offer to the customer for final approval, as seen in this example. The task is then removed from the in-basket and returned to the user in SmartCPQ, who will decide whether to confirm or reject the offer. The user who submitted the offer receives a notification via email and in SmartCPQ, alerting them to the action required regarding the offer to be reviewed and confirmed. On the offer's detail page, the user can review the details and any elements modified or added compared to their original request. Buttons are available for the user to cast their final vote, choosing to confirm the order, request further revision, or reject the offer. If the order is confirmed, the offer is promoted to an approved state, and the workflow is concluded. If a revision is requested or the offer is rejected, the user is prompted to provide a comment explaining the reasons for their decision. The order is now complete, and the offer in Aras has transitioned to the approved state. At any time, users can navigate through past quotation requests for a customer on their user page, where they can review details and download the attached PDF. This PDF compiles all previously mentioned information about the offer, customer, product, and specific configuration in a printable format, concluding with a summary of prices and the total. Thank you for exploring SmartCPQ, the solution for smarter product configurations and faster quotes.